Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Smart Financial account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ads.smartfinancial.com/login. Press enter. Now after that, you'll be led to the official website of Smart Financial. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password. If you do not have the account yet, you can click on this option, sign up, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, simply click on the field of email. Now enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now simply enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen, and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Smart Financial account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.